Hello Internet, welcome to another video in the series of microprocessors. In this video, I want to specifically show you a microprocessor with a pin grid array. And the basic microprocessors that we study in theory, in the start of theory, are 40 pin dual inline package microprocessors, but those are no way closely related to the kind of microprocessors that we use these days. Now I have taken up an example of a very old microprocessor. This is the third generation microprocessor from AMD. It's AMD Sempron. But the reason why I've chosen to make this video is to show you how this, by the way, this is the microprocessor that we're talking about, AMD Sempron, third generation microprocessor. And if you pull this microprocessor out from its tray, you'll find that this microprocessor has a grid of pins at the bottom. Now this is what a pin grid array microprocessor looks like, and it has 940 pins. Please understand, this microprocessor has 940 pins, and it goes like this onto this slot, and you securely tighten it with this lever. And this microprocessor, AMD Sempron 3400 plus, is a single core microprocessor with a frequency of 3400 plus rated and 1800 plus frequency in the real time, and it has one core. Now just look at the size of the microprocessor. It is comparable to the microprocessors that we use today. Those have 8 cores or 16 cores. So you can understand, and you can very well appreciate the fact that how fastly the progressions in VLSI have been made. And it has a 64 KB level 1 cache and 256 KB level 2 cache. Now the reason this microprocessor is different from the generic microprocessor that we study in theory is the fact that there is no way we can design a dual inline or a quad inline package with 64-bit data width. Now this microprocessor is 64 bit in data width, so out of these many pins, 64 pins must be dedicated only to the transferring of data to and fro from the memory. So this was a quick introduction to how a pin grid array microprocessors look like. Their number of pins may vary depending upon the generations. For example, when we talk about the earlier generations of Intel microprocessor, they used to have 200-300 pins. So the number of pins have drastically increased, and they are surely going to increase in the future also. And these days ball grid array microprocessors are also being used, and I'll try to get hold of a ball grid array microprocessor, some older one, an unused one, to illustrate it. And I hope this quick introduction to pin grid array microprocessors was of help. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Have a great day ahead. Bye.